Do you know what this is? Yeah, it's tiramisu. And this is what I'm going to teach you to make. You might have had it in the Italian restaurant or maybe your local bakery. It's not that difficult, trust me. All you need is some time, effort, and a good stand mixer. Here we go. This is powdered espresso. This is where you get that great coffee taste. You can do espresso, and that's sugar and Tia Maria coffee liqueur. Yeah. Ooh, mesmerizing. We add the hot water to dissolve the ingredients and whisk together. I bet you can guess what those are. 4 egg yolks, more sugar, and this is Marsala wine. It's gonna give it that kind of mellow flavor. So what we're doing is I don't know how to say it, bain marie, I think that's what it's called. It's basically a double boiler. And you're gonna whisk this until it reaches a certain kind of consistency. Basically like this, kind of glossy, thick. It's gonna kind of stick to the whisk.
Yeah.
And we're gonna use this to kind of mix in. This is the mascarpone cheese. And the recipe will be up on my blog. If you look in the description, I'll put the link. And you're just gonna mix the cheese and your egg and sugar double boiler mixed together. And you'll kind of see in a second what we're gonna do with it. We're gonna make a simple whipped cream with the stand mixer. You can do this by hand, and you're a better person than me if you do. Basically, you're gonna go until kind of a medium peak. You can see here it kind of sticks to it. That's kind of what you're looking at. And you're gonna fold your mascarpone mixture into the whipped cream and just kind of get it uniform. And fold it until you get kind of like it, just like that. You're kind of like a uniform yellowish color. And this is easy. We're just assembling. You've got lady fingers, your coffee mixture, and you're just dipping it in there real quick and laying them on the bottom of your pan for the first layer. And it's okay if they don't fit. You can just break them like I did there and put it in there and eat the rest. And then you layer some of your whipped cream mascarpone mixture on that. It's pretty easy, right? And then you just do another layer. Pro tip, you might want to get all your cookies out, put it in a tray, so you don't have to open this stuff as you're going. So we do the same thing, dip it, put it, dip it and put it, and spread it. And then you're gonna eat it. Last step, sprinkle some powdered cocoa on the top, and then you're just gonna wrap it up, put it in the fridge for 6 hours. And then you get this. Just like we had at the beginning, you're gonna press the crud out of your friends. I wanted to say something else, but I'm not going to. Enjoy. It's been Random Crockery. And check out the blog for the recipe. See you next time.